Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting the console cable and powering the AP. This is where tangible progress begins. Open your terminal client and set 9600 8N1 no flow control. Check the adapter drivers if you see no text. Once done, power cycle the AP and watch boot messages. If you need early access, send a break to interrupt the bootloader. Make sure to note the model and current boot image name before proceeding to config changes. You now enter Enable mode and drop into Global Configuration to set the basics. Use Enable and Configure Terminal. Assign a clear hostname, then configure the management interface with an IP, subnet mask, and default gateway so you can reach the AP from the network. Next, define the local username and password, then create the WLAN profile. SSID, security with WPA2/AES, and a PSK or 802. 1x method. Once done, you finish by saving the running configuration with write memory, and if needed, reload the AP to ensure startup config loads cleanly. Verify operation using show commands. Show IP interface brief, show .11 associations, and show logging. Then test by pinging the gateway and resolving DNS from the AP. If a client cannot join, check console logs and the WLAN security settings. If boot or image errors appear, verify the iOS image checksum or restore a known good config. Factory reset only if you cannot recover otherwise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.